Okay, so I click the icon on my desktop, and if you have Windows 7, sometimes you have to right click and click Run as Administrator if it doesn't open properly. But your MT4 trading platform should open from that icon on your desktop. Now the first thing we want to do is X out any charts. So any charts you see, we're going to close them by clicking the red X on the charts. I don't have any charts on my screen, so I'm ready to go. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go open any chart. I'm going to click on the green cross that says New Chart in the top left. Again, any chart, as long as it's one chart. I normally just do the Euro USD, the EUR USD. It comes automatically on the H1, which is the 1 hour time frame. This is the only chart you need. Okay? The only chart you're going to need. Next thing we want to do is we want to find the TheeLife Expert Advisor. If you go to the bottom left of your computer, you'll see it's under the navigator. You'll see Accounts. You'll also see Expert Advisors. They have little hats. So you can open up that, click on the Expert Advisor box if you don't see them there. And you should see a TheeLife with a gray hat. I see mine. I'm going to grab it and drag it and drop it on the chart, like so. Now I get this box here. This box has the exact check marks you're supposed to have. So make sure that you have only these checks marked. Okay? If you have that exactly like that, we're going to hit OK. Okay? Down in the bottom right, you see a TheeLife logo and a little box pops up asking for my license number. That is the license number you received as soon as you signed up through ClickBank. You should have got a two emails, and they should have your license or ClickBank number. That is the number that will go into this spot. So I'm going to copy and paste mine right here. Paste. My license number is in there. I'm going to hit remember and save. Now if you do get any pop-ups at all, always hit OK. Sometimes you get a few pop-ups. Now the keys you're looking for is TheeLife. It has to have a smiley face in the top right. As long as it's smiling, it's good. If it ever has an X, you need to go up top and click this Expert Advisors button. See that? It can go red. Red shows an X, or green shows a smiley face. The other main important thing, it should always say working in version 3.51. That is the key. If there's ever an error offline or something, it'll show it where it says working instead. So if you ever have an issue with those, please email us at support@TheeLife.com and we'll be glad to help you. Now, most of these will probably start with a version 2.51 or 6.1 showing up. And if that happens, if you don't have at least 3.51 or higher, what you need to do is close your MetaTrader. Do not close the chart once you have this set. Don't ever close this chart. It will save everything in the MetaTrader. But I'm going to go ahead and close my MetaTrader in the top right. I'm going to click the X in the very top right. I'm not going to close the chart. Okay?